Hello, everybody. This is Justin Case from American Newscape, joining our friend and the one, the only, book wrangler, Sarah Wisdom, bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Hello, Sarah. Welcome back to American Newscape.
Hi, how are you this week?
Well, we are muddling along. Is that a term? I think it is, muddling along. But
I'd say it.
but nary a complaint. So that being said, Sarah, what's happening at our libraries?
Well, the first event I want to talk about is actually sponsored by the library, but we're going to take a field trip. We are hosting the 26th annual Manhattan Short Film Festival, and we are hosting it at our Historic Yuma Theatre in downtown Yuma. And the reason that we do this is we used to host it at the main library, but it got so popular so quickly, we really couldn't do it justice in our meeting rooms here at the library. So we are always really excited to partner up with our friends at the city of Yuma and bring this film festival back to the Yuma community. It's taking place on Wednesday, September 27th at 6:30 p.m. So we're starting a little bit earlier this year. Doors open at 6. There is no charge to attend. All you have to bring is your popcorn money because the concession stand will be open. And we have 10 films this year. They're about 17 minutes or less. You get to watch the films and then vote for your favorite film and your favorite actor. We tally up the votes and send them back to Manhattan Short HQ, where they will be tallied in with votes from everybody else all over the world who watched the film festival. And they will announce the winners on Monday, October 2nd.
Well, that's pretty exciting, Sarah. What else can you tell us about this festival?
Well, I know that the films are, once again, from all over the world. I think there are just 2 from the United States. The rest are from different countries. It's about 2 hours, 20 minutes running time with an intermission built in. And they've started adding a musical guest during the intermission. So not only are you enjoying film, you'll have a little taste of music as well. So you should be very cultured by the time you finish this film festival.
So it's an entertainment extravaganza, and we actually have a trailer we're going to show at the end of this interview.
That's right.
Okay. What else we have, Sarah?
Well, coming up at our San Luis Library, they are hosting a program this Saturday for all ages about a resource called Creativebug. And our crafters might be familiar with this resource. It is put on by Joanne Fabric. And basically what it is a collection of online videos, tutorials on how to do all different kinds of crafts. And we thought it would be a good time to remind people about it because our crafters they start early on the holiday crafts, and we want to let people know about all the things that are available. So if you're one of those crafty people that likes to give handmade gifts, there's all kinds of resources to take advantage of through Creativebug. All kinds of classes, there's patterns, there's kids crafts, just lots of things that you can do and make. So that is taking place this Saturday at the San Luis Library.
Very cool. And they are Library of the Year, I'm sure. If I got to vote, I'd vote for San Luis.
They are an amazing library and with a really cool staff too.
Yeah.
Definitely.
What else?
Last but not least, I wanted to mention a program that's coming up for teens on Saturday. It's 3D printing, and maybe you've seen a 3D printer, you've seen printed objects. Well, we are actually going to teach you about the behind the scenes, what takes place, how to actually put in the dimensions and how to build that file so you can 3D print the form of your choice. So we'll be teaching a little coding, a little software, and you'll be able to print out a 3D printed item and take it home with you. So that is taking place at the main library this Saturday.
Well, and it is for beginners. I mean, the coding is not sophisticated coding, and they're going to help you through it, right?
Absolutely.
All right, everybody, as I promised, buckle your seats, and here comes the trailer of the Manhattan Short Film Festival. All right, Sarah, my one word is wow. What's your one word to describe what's
I
coming
would
up?
go with wow. That's a good one.
Okay, all right. Or in the words of our departed friend who's still with us, but in San Diego, Brad Wells, awesome. Absolutely awesome. Okay, everybody. This has been Just in Case and Sarah Wisdom bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Thanks for joining us. Remember, additional information and links are provided in this video's Read More. Today's the day to subscribe to this channel. Please support reading, readers, book wranglers, libraries, librarians, and film festivals everywhere.